Hey everybody! Welcome to this A2 English listening practice video. You can use this video to practice your listening and comprehension as I speak. Today, we are going to talk about Elon Musk. Elon Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa. Even as a child, he was known for his curiosity and love for reading. He really liked technology and computers when he was little. Elon moved to Canada to attend Queen's University at the age of 17 and later transferred to the University of Pennsylvania. After finishing his studies, Musk moved to California to try to get a PhD at Stanford University. But he decided to leave the program after only 2 days because he wanted to explore business opportunities in the growing internet industry. In the mid-1990s, Elon Musk co-founded Zip2, a company that provided business directories and maps for newspapers. Compaq bought Zip2 in 1999, and this marked Elon Musk's first big financial success. In 1999, Elon co-founded X.com, an online payment company. X.com joined with Confinity, resulting in the creation of PayPal. PayPal quickly became a popular online payment platform, and eBay bought it in 2002 for $1.5 billion. Because Elon Musk was really interested in exploring space, he started SpaceX in 2002. He wanted to make space travel less expensive for everyone. Even though SpaceX faced a lot of difficulties, they reached important goals. They were the first private company to launch a spacecraft into orbit and later connect it to the International Space Station. Musk joined Tesla Motors in 2004, becoming its largest investor. Tesla is famous for making electric cars with advanced technology. The company's success was a big factor in promoting eco-friendly transportation and renewable energy. Later, Elon Musk introduced the concept of the Hyperloop, a high-speed transportation system, and founded the Boring Company to develop tunneling and infrastructure technology to reduce traffic jams. Elon Musk is also working on projects related to artificial intelligence. He co-founded Neuralink, a company working on developing brain-machine interface technology. Additionally, he supported OpenAI, an organization focused on moving forward with artificial intelligence in a safe and helpful way. During his career, Elon Musk faced a lot of difficulties, financial troubles, and skepticism. However, his creative thinking and risk-taking have led to important achievements in many industries. Elon Musk is always bringing cool ideas to life, like in space, electric cars, and other cool stuff. He's like a tech pioneer, working to make the world a better place with his inventions. All right, that's all for today. Leave a comment and tell me what story would you like to hear next time. See you soon!